You don't need any fancy editing skills to create these types of motion graphics. In fact, you can simply use these templates to create one for your videos. Easy, right? And in this video I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. To create these types of motion graphics, you need to visit jitter.video. This website contains a lot of templates that you can use for absolutely free. Simply go through all the templates here and choose the one that you can use on your videos. For example, let's say you need to create a text animation for your video. You can select the option from the left menu. Here, you can see all the text animations. For this tutorial, I will select this template. Next, I will remove this text and replace it with my own text. If the text is too long, you can resize it as per your need. Then choose this design element and then add the same text again. And then you only need to put it over your text. You need to make sure that the design element is placed correctly, otherwise you won't get smooth animations. So take your time to do this step. Last but not least, we want to set the animation. To do that, we need to place this design element in the perfect manner. So, click on this mask option on the left menu, and then select the movement you want. Basically, you need to set up the movements of this black circle. Once it's done, click on this play button to preview the animation. On the right-hand side, you'll see a lot of design and animation options. You can add various animations on your design, you can change the colors, fonts, etc. Feel free to play around with all these options, and you'll master this tool yourself. Once your design is complete, you can click on this export button to export your design. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.